Hi everyone! With spring finally here and summer approaching, I wanted to show you our swing setup we have for our kids. I'll include all the links below, but it'll include all the mounting hardware, the two-piece swing seats, the hangers for the wooden swing, and then also the bucket toddler swing along with the monkey bars I'll show you in a bit. This is the toddler seat, which I turn upside down so it doesn't have any fur doo-doo on it, but what I really like about it is that it has the yellow plastic on the chains. It keeps the pinching from occurring and anything else that may occur. It's also included the two-piece swing seats that I also purchased. These seats are also comfortable and my kids love them as well. And this seat also includes the plastic yellow wrapping around the chains. And what I will do is I'll switch out the seats and or for the monkey bar. So let's go ahead and switch out the accessories. Here we go. And that's easy. So there's the monkey bar swing set. I will include that every once in a while. It's super easy to change out. All you have to do is unclip the hooks that are on here, and I'll show you in a second. But the monkey bar also has this plastic wrap so it prevents any pinching. There's the hooks. So you go ahead and unhook that and you add the swing and or the monkey bar set. I haven't cut off the chains, I just don't feel the need to. But as you can see, the bar is made of plastic, very good on the hands, smooth, nothing that will hurt your kiddos. It'll hold anyone up pretty much, even adults. At least we have tried. I'm not sure exactly how far it'll go. And to prove it, I went ahead and gave it a try. So I won't tell you how much I weigh, but I am a full-grown adult for sure, and it holds me up. And that smile is me feeling like a kid again. So there you go, you just unhook it right there. Super easy, super fun, and I like to enjoy it too sometimes. Thanks for watching, and I'll include all the links below, including the solar lights, and have a great summer and a great season.